Yes. Good morning, one and all. Myself, Harsh from Vitta Council. Vitta Council in School of Commerce is for creating awareness about financial aspects like stock market, budget analysis, financial inclusions, etc. The second initiative for this academic year is technical analysis on stock market. As you all know, Indian stock market is the seventh largest stock market in the world, and the total market capitalization of Indian stock market is more than the total GDP of India. So, we, the commerce and management students, always want to get success in business life. It is not about how you are starting earning, but it is about making your earning effective and efficient. Stock market is the best way, and almost all commerce and management students will choose to earn money in their student life. But how successful have you been in the stock market? That's the question. So there are three steps to get success in the stock market. Firstly, know the part. Secondly, decide the strategy. And last but not the least, implement and evaluate. You cannot get success in stock market if you don't know the technical analysis. So today's session arranged by the Vita Forum is all about technical analysis in stock market. Now I request Mr. Manoj, with Vita Forum member, to introduce our honorable guest of the day.
Good morning to one and all present here. Myself Manoj from BCom Honors. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce the guest speaker for the event, that is Mr. Sagar US. We welcome you, sir. With a master's in finance, Mr. Sagar is a trader, trainer, and entrepreneur by profession. He has been featured as the guest columnist on capital markets in leading newspaper and has been guest speaker in various news channels, namely Suvarna News, and on stock markets and commodity markets. He is a resource person in CDSL2. He is a founder of a company named Stocktail, Story of Bulls, Bears and Me, which is a great source of inspiration for aspiring and budding entrepreneurs. He has successfully completed add-on certificate courses and numerous workshops on stock market in PG and UG premier colleges across Karnataka. To name a few are Jain CMS, MS Ramaya, National College, Bishop Cotton Institute of Management. His area of expertise lies in price, volume analysis and risk management, emotional intelligence, superstar project. He has been fortunate enough to impact around 40,000 students and 20,000 investors community across Karnataka in past 1 decade. He has successfully given complete training to students on creating awareness on government of India's pet project, Digital India, to 30,000 people. Last but not the least, he is a resource person of government of Karnataka's summer camp project and had also created an awareness program called Selfie for India during the national election 2019, encouraging over 25,000 people to vote. Over to you, sir.
Okay. Hey, thank you so much, Manoj. Thank you. Thank you, Manjunath sir. Thank you for the College Institute for giving me an opportunity. I think, can I share my screen?
Yes, sir, I can.
Yeah, I'll start. Okay, I just have one of this with that. Yeah, it's here. Okay. Disclaimer, I have nothing with the stockbroker which account I have opened here. So, no conflict of interest, nothing. It's just like I'm just opening an account there. Where is that? Okay, trading view. Yeah, done. Thank you. So first of all, very good morning to everyone. Very good morning. I just want this session to be very interactive. So we need to make sure with limited time, like around, I think we will end by 11:40. Okay, 11:40. I think so. So I'll make sure next 1.5 hours you get a massive information on the market. Three beautiful words in English, according to me, is I don't know. So, so what little I know, I'm going to share you with the market information so that it will be useful for you. And you have to remember the date, 7th March 2022. Another 10 years down the line, you should remember this webinar. Then only the proper feedback would have been. Okay. So my ambition is you have to take away this lessons and implement for your lifetime. Are you ready? So here's my first question to you. I want in a chat box you people to message me across. I want you people to message me whether you want a blockbuster session or a flop session. Fast. I want it, it should be very fast. Okay. You want a blockbuster session or a flop? Like blockbuster, right? Thank you so much. Thank you. Because there are 300 people are in the Zoom session now. You want a blockbuster? Thank you so much. That's a massive messages you people are sending across. Now listen, you. I call everybody as a superstar. At the end, I will say, why do I call everybody as a superstar? Now I will address you people as superstars. Okay. Superstars, listen, you want a blockbuster session. Now, for that, I want you people to ask me questions. Rule number one, I want you people to ask me questions. I want you people to be interactive. That's all I want. My job is to ask you the beautiful questions and you will know the answers. I will prove it in another 1.5 hours. So your job is to ask me questions and I want you people to be interactive. So please message me in the chat box, and then somebody wanna speak, unmute yourself so that I will call out your name. You can speak. Let's have a session in a proper way. Okay. No disturbance. If you want to speak something, you just unmute. I'll come to know who has unmuted the audio. I will ask their name. You can ask me the question. Is it fine? This is the ground rule. Everybody clear? Done. Thank you. Now here goes my next part. How many of you already have a DMAT trading account? How many of you already have a DMAT and a trading account? Message me in the chat box. How many of you have a DMAT and a trading account? Okay, Anish says, superstar Anish says, me, Lakshmi Narayan, Pratik, Yogeshwar, Mayank, Srinivas, Harsh. Yuvraj says, I've been trading for more than 2 years. That's fantastic. Jeevan. Okay. So that's nice to know. Most of them have it. Few people. Manjunath sir says, even I have it. Okay. Okay, done. Thank you. Now I have a problem now. You have to solve me. You have to help me out. I always say, rule one, help yourself. Rule two, ask for help. Rule three, there are no more rules. Rule one, help yourself. Rule two, ask for help. Rule three, no more rules. Now I am going to ask you for an help. What is the help which I want from your end is, do you want this session to be an advanced session, or how many of you are in the basic level? I just want to know that so that I'll directly get into the yeah, because it should not be saying like, oh sir, I knew this. I don't want you people to say that. Oh, some people are saying you want from the basic also. Okay. Okay, both basic and advanced, both. Oh my god, basics is coming too much. Okay. Okay, then let's allocate the time here. Okay, I got it. Thank you so much, superstars. Now what I will do is, for 10 minutes the basics, next 1 hour 20 minutes it will be advanced. Remember, keep a pen and a paper, make a note of it. Okay. By the way, I'll give you 5 books. I will send 5 books to Manjunath sir. He will distribute to you. That's a gift which I'm going to give for you people. I want you people to be very interactive. The book name is Atomic Habits. That's one of my favorite book. And another book is Psychology of Money. It's from Morgan Housel. Okay. So 2 books which I'm going to send across people who are be ultra interactive. Okay. Done. 5 books. Here goes the first part. Basics. We do only 2 things in the market: buy and sell. Okay, everybody, we do buy and sell. You buy at 100, sell at 150, profit. Buy at 100, sell at 50, loss. Everybody clear? Tell me now. We do only 2 things. Message me fast. Message me fast. What do we get in market? Instead of writing every word, you write P for profit, L for loss. Use abbreviations. That will be better. We enter stock market only for 2 things. Perfect, Arsh and Arshita. Yeah, perfect. We are into stock market to make only money. Everybody clear? M for money, no marks. With that agenda, we are getting into the markets. We do only 2 things, superstars, that is buy and sell. Now you will ask me the next question. Sir, where do we buy and sell? Such a dumb question to ask. That's in NSE. That's we do it in NSE and BSE. Two premier stock exchanges, NSE, BSE, and the third one is MCX. In MCX, we trade commodities. In NSE, BSE, we trade equity and future and options. Okay, everybody clear? NSE, BSE, MCX. NSE 915 today, our market has crashed. Okay, so I'm doing online session. That's I think you people have to remember the date. So it's like massive. My clients are calling me up, but I have taken a commitment that I'll do on Monday, but I didn't knew that Monday will be like this today. Okay, so we enter market to make money, as simple as that. My next question to you: to make money, what is the first rule we have to keep it in our mind in market? I want there are 320 people are there in this program. My request is I want everybody in another 1 decade to be in this market, make some money, then this program will be blockbuster. Otherwise, it will be a flop. So rule one to make massive money in stock market is, write down, no, it's a secret. You have to invest from savings money. Write down what is the first rule. You have to invest from savings money. Always remember the basic rule. You have to invest from savings money. Everybody clear? Now you will ask me, sir, I don't have savings money. No problem. You start learning from today. Another 1 year down the line, 2 years down the line, 3 years down the line, you can start saving. Then you can invest across. So always trade from savings money. That's the ground rule. Now you have understood. You have to invest from savings money. So before I start, I just want one more message in the chat box. I want you people to do a pledge saying that I will trade from savings money. I want that message, please. Let me see how many of you message, because before I get into the real topic, I want you people to be safe. You will trade what? I will trade from savings money. I want that to be message. Yes, thank you, Arshita. Thank you, Jonathan. Like Jonathan, yeah, I will trade from savings money. Yeah, fast. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Hey, that's so nice. Thank you so much. Because we are going to trade one of the dangerous profession in the world. Stock market is one of the most dangerous profession. Okay, it's involved money. My guru has taught me letter M is mother, create relationship. Letter M, money, breaks the relationship. So we are entering into a zone where it's all about money. So I want you people to be first safeguarded. So I will trade from savings money. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. Done. Yuvraj, be bit slow. Okay. I'll answer you all your questions at the end. So done. So everybody clear? Savings money. Now, only we do two things, buy and sell. On what basis do we buy and sell? There are two types of where we can do buy and sell. One is fundamental analysis and one is technical analysis. And today's session is technical analysis. So I'm not going to jump about fundamental analysis. I'm directly going into the mode of technical analysis. Technical analysis. To do buy and sell, we use technical analysis. Now, what is the next question? What do you mean by technical analysis? How do we trade? Is the next question. For technical analysis, you have to first understand the assumptions. What is technical analysis? The first rule in technical analysis is it gives us the past data. It will not tell the future. Make a note. Technical analysis first rule is it will tell us the past data, what has happened, but I will not be knowing what will happen in the next future. It's just a pattern indication we have to understand. So we come to know the past data. From technical analysis past data, we get three types. We know there are three trends in the market: uptrend, downtrend, sideways. Uptrend, downtrend, sideways. Three trends we will be able to understand: uptrend, downtrend, sideways. The next part, uptrend, downtrend, sideways. We do two things, right? In uptrend, simple, from 100 to 200, it's uptrend. From 200 to 100, it's a downtrend. If it is in a 200, it doesn't go neither up or down, it's a sideways. In uptrend, we buy first, sell later. In uptrend, we buy first, sell later. In downtrend, we sell first, buy later. In sideways, we do nothing. Please make a note of it. In uptrend, we buy first, sell later. In downtrend, we sell first, buy later. In sideways, you do nothing. Okay, everybody clear? Okay, next comes what is the next part which you need to understand? Technical analysis can be of two types. One is visual representation. This is a chart which I'm showing you now. So this is called candlestick analysis. Okay, candlestick analysis. And also we have a data analysis. One is data analysis. Can you see here? This is the data analysis. This is all my, what do you say? It's my R&D. It's my, uh, that's how I do the data analysis. So in another 1.5 hours, you can't learn everything, but at least if you know basic things, I think you can work it around. Okay, so one is candlestick analysis and one is data analysis. I work on raw data. The raw data is the data which I get it from NSE, directly which I got it from the NSE. What I'll do is, let me take one real example and we will work it on technical analysis. Which stock shall we take? You tell me, which stock shall we take? Oh, Karthik, you asked what? Sir, can you show your P&L? Oh, yeah, that's of no use, Karthik and Pratik. It's like you won't get anything, man. Always. Okay, write down one thing. Stock market is me versus me. It's not me versus you. Me versus me, not me versus you. It's of no use of knowing anybody's P&L account. It's of none of the business. Like you need to make money from your end, right? Anyways, no motivation. Motivation is mafia, okay, in stock market. So it's me versus me. Okay, tell me which stock you want. I think few people have told IRCTC, KPR, Mills, Bajaj Finance, Infi. Yuvraj has message as Infi. Okay, done. Okay, let me take I think I'll take Yuvraj because he's been messaging from long time. HDFC Bank. Okay, let me take Infi. Okay, Tata Steel. Okay, we'll take 2-3. Okay, we will take we will take 2-3 stocks. Let's first take Infosys. Okay, let's take Infosys. We are going to do Infosys analysis now. Okay, I'm going to the Infosys chart. Where is Infosys? 1 minute. This is how I am going to do. Okay, whether it's right or wrong, I don't know, but that's helping me from a decade. Infosys, where is Infosys? Yeah, I got it. Okay, Infosys. Okay, done. Okay, now please understand the scenario. The whole world market is down. I know I think you people know why it is down because of the war, right? The war which is happening in Ukraine and Russia. That's a fundamental news. Now, how do you use that and trade from a technical analysis point of view? So what I'll do first thing which I do is once I open candlestick analysis. Now you'll ask me, some people had asked me basic things. This chart analysis, we call it as a candlestick. In candlestick, there are two types of candle: bullish candle, bearish candle. Bullish candle means it's a green candle here. Bearish candle means red candle. Okay, please understand. Candlestick has two types: bullish candle and bearish candle. In bullish candle or bearish candle, there are four components. What are the four components? The four components are open, high, low, close. Please make a note. Candlestick, for people who don't know the basic thing. In candlestick, there are two types: the bullish candle, the bearish candle. The next part is there are four components: open, high, low, close. Open, high, low, close. Okay, done. So the next part which I'm going to do now is I'm going to make sure how do I analyze. The first part is always when I open a candlestick analysis, first, I look in not a daily chart candle, weekly chart. I look into the monthly candle. First, I'll go for the monthly candle. Okay, I want to know the history of Infosys, what has happened from last 10 years. So 2011, say almost it's in a uptrend. Infi is in a uptrend. Okay. So Infi is in a uptrend, totally uptrend. So the first thing is, oh, I'll analyze, oh yes, Infi is in uptrend. Then I will look it from 2020, that's from COVID era. Okay. So from there also, it's almost 3 times up. And last 4-5 months, Infi is in a sideways. Last month, that is on Jan, it was down. Feb, it was down. And again, it has started moving up. Mark my word, take the clue. With currency hitting all-time low, it's almost $77. What's the price now? If you want to ask me what is the current price of dollar USD INR, it's somewhere around 77.04. So it's going to touch 80, 85 very soon. Disclaimer, you have to, that's not a prediction. Okay. So we are taken Infi now. The trigger is, it's going to, the currency will be the trigger for us. And recent trend, when the entire market is down, Infi is still trading positive. So make a note of it. In technical analysis, you have to trade. Even the overall general market is down. Look out for the stock which is showing strength and trade with that stocks. Technical analysis works when technical analysis works when there is not much of volatility. In case of earthquake, tsunami, war, technical analysis does not work. Make a first point. Technical analysis does not work in the times of war, in the times of extreme volatility. Extreme volatility, technical analysis does not work. Just like a fools, we should not use technical analysis every day. We are not going to make money. Okay, I'm telling you. So technical analysis will not work when there is extreme volatility. When does the extreme volatility? When there is a scam or something like war, which is happening now, the COVID, the phase 2020 March, when market was, my God, it was like gone into the next level, bombarded with downside, right? So technical analysis does not work when there is extreme volatility. Now, what is your next question you have to ask me? When does the technical analysis works then? Technical analysis works when there is a smooth, what do you say, smooth or a narrow range of news events. When the news and events are not much of significance, then only technical analysis work. Most of them, 99% of the people who enter market blindly, they think it is a video game. Buy, sell, buy, sell. Only we do two things in market, that is buy and sell, like a video game. They think we can apply technical analysis every time. No, if you know this one point, I have saved you people. Technical analysis does not work. Okay. So on the extreme volatility, you should know when to use it and when not to use it. With that concept and assumption, let's jump into the next level. So the first, I see the monthly candle. The monthly candle is like, oh my God, okay, Infi is in a good state. Then I'll go into the weekly. Before I go into, I'll just check in weekly what has happened in Infosys for last couple of weeks. I'll go and check. Okay, again, Infi is in okay, it's in an uptrend only. Infi is in an uptrend. The recent trend was down, but last 4-5 weeks, it's on a sideways. Okay, it's making a sideways and it's taking a support. I'll teach you all those things 1 minute. Then I will check the daily chart. See, I'm telling you how we should use it. Okay, the first is monthly candle, the next is weekly. Then I will come for the daily chart. Okay, now in analysis, you understood monthly, weekly, daily. Now, what is the next thing which you have to understand? Whether you trade intraday or you trade positional trade or you do a long-term trade. If you ask me what is intraday, buying and selling same day. The next part, buy today, sell after a week, sell after 10 days or 15 days. That's a swing trade. Okay. A small term trade is something you buy today, sell after 3 months to 6 months. I hope you are understanding. Just like how we have T20, one day cricket, test cricket. In technical analysis, before you trade, you should understand intraday, positional. No, Yuvraj, no, it's not like that. Intraday, positional trade, or a swing trade. Okay. Now, you tell me which analysis you want to learn. using technical analysis. I'll start. Do you want a short-term analysis or you want a long-term analysis? All the superstars, you have to tell me. You want a long-term, intraday, swing trade, majority. I want majority answer, then I'll get into it. Okay, most of them I'm getting intraday. Few of them message as long-term. Okay, intraday both. Okay. Okay, done. We'll start with intraday. We'll start with intraday. Okay, we'll start with, sir, could you give some pointers later on predicting upward trends or downward trends of the stock? Definitely, I'll definitely definitely do that. Okay, listen here. Long term also we'll try to figure it out. Okay, now intraday. Now we have to take Infosys as a stock. On Infosys, how to do intraday. Before I do intraday, I'll give you 4 rules, sir. Please make a note of it. We should understand, like, there is a concept called support and resistance. What do you mean by support and resistance? Please understand, what do you mean by support and resistance? Support means anything current price is, if the current price, so what is support? Anything below the current price is known as support. Anything above the support current price is known as the resistance. So I want some people to message me, what is support and resistance? It's support, not supporter. Okay. So Infi, see here, Infi is the only stock which is positive today. I just want to understand, what is support? Anything below the current price? Yeah, sir, supply and demand. Yes, correct, perfect. So which is lower, just on a logical local language I'm talking to you. Okay. So support, anything below, resistance, anything above. I can give an example. The floor is known as support. The ceiling is known as resistance. Everybody clear? Support and resistance. Now, write down the 4 rules. When support breaks, share price will fall. Before we go to the analysis part, technical analysis, make a note of it. When support breaks, share price will fall. Nothing else. Okay. If support does not break, it will be either sideways or downtrend. Support breaks, downtrend. Support does not break, sideways or downtrend, sideways or uptrend. Resistance break, complete uptrend. If resistance does not break, sideways or downtrend. So 4 rules, I'll repeat again. Support breaks. Can somebody answer me? What is the answer? If support breaks, what happens? Support breaks. There is only one probability. Just, yeah, Abhishek Prasad, you want to answer? Yeah, please. Speak. Anybody, you can speak or you can write it down. Yeah, perfect. Share price falls. Downtrend. Excellent. Okay. Support breaks. Done. That's all over. No, don't have a logic like, oh, sir, if support breaks, still it will go up. No, it will not go up. Gone. Support breaks means gone. The stock price will fall like anything. Okay. Now, if support does not break, second one. If support does not break, sideways or uptrend, excellent. Now resistance break, the third point, the resistance break. Resistance break, uptrend, excellent. Most of them are writing excellent. Okay, if resistance does not break, sideways or downtrend. These are the 4 fundamental rules. Okay. Now, what we will do is, with this, let's jump into the markets. As I told, you want intraday. First of all, intraday. Write down the first point in technical analysis, intraday. Anything can happen. The 3 beautiful words in market in intraday. Anything can happen. Can you repeat the 4th point? Yeah. If resistance does not break, it will be sideways or downtrend. Can you repeat the question, sir? Which question? Okay, what did I say? Listen here. What is the next one I want to say? I was saying something, I forgot. What was I saying? Somebody asked me the questions. Okay. Okay, let me come back. Support and resistance. We have the four rules now: the uptrend, the downtrend. Intraday. Okay. I got it. Anything can happen in intraday. Voice is too low. I think now it's perfect, I suppose. Okay, make a note. Anything can happen in intraday. These are the first rules you have to understand. Okay, anything can happen in the market. It can go up, it can come down, it could be sideways. The first and foremost rule is anything can happen. Next, you don't need to know everything to make money in the market. What is the next point? In technical analysis, you have to understand you don't need to know what's going to happen next minute. Still, you can make money. That's the beauty of technical analysis, stock markets, intraday. Okay. The first point is anything can happen, and you don't need to know what's going to happen next in order to make money. The next part is every minute, every moment is unique in stock market. There is no repetition. Every minute, every moment is market. It is a unique. Stock market technical analysis is it's a probability. It's a probability. It may happen, may not happen. I'll repeat again. Before we jump into the intraday of Infosys, I want you people to understand the technical truths of the market. If you don't know this, the Gautama Buddha says three things cannot be hidden: sun, moon, and truth. And what are the truth here? Anything can happen in market. A fool will come with a fixed mindset that today market will go up. A fool will come to the market thinking that today market will come down. A fool will come to the market thinking they live in a certainty, everything they want certain. Stock market, everything is uncertain. Expect the unexpected. If you can't live in uncertain environment, if somebody criticize you and you are getting triggered, you are unable to sustain that emotional intelligence, I think stock market is not a field for you. Stock market technical analysis or whatever you do, if you don't have emotional intelligence, I think we are not going to sustain there. Sustainability is very important. To sustain, you should know the truth. What is the truth? Anything can happen, the first point. Next point, you don't need to know what's going to happen next minute. That's a beauty here. Don't get confused. You don't need to know. Still, you can make money. The next point, every minute in the market is unique. Every minute is unique. Okay. And stock market may, it's a probability. It may happen, may not happen. These are the basic funda. First, you should understand. Now, with that agenda, let's get into the intraday of Infosys. Let's go to the chart of intraday of Infosys here. Where is Infosys? I'll click on Infosys. Okay. By the way, I will send you the link. What link? There is my Stocktail group, okay, where I will send everyday newspaper, everyday, what do you say, clues on the market. You people can join. I've sent a link there. You people can join there. Mark my word, it will be one of the top 10 contacts of my mobile number in your phone book. Okay, so too much of build up I'm giving a self build up, but it will happen, I'm telling you. Okay, so that's a link which where you can join in, where I'll share all my clues there. So let's get into the intraday of Infosys ways. And by the way, Zerodha share prices have freezed. It's like the broker, like, oh my god, it's like it's not trading at all. Okay, what is the next point? What is the next point which you need to understand? All the superstars, make a note. In intraday, even a few minutes is sufficient to make money. Make a note. In intraday technical analysis, last 30 minutes, I'll take questions, Yuvraj, please. 1 minute. I will get confusions then. Okay. So my next question for you people is, in intraday, in milliseconds, you make millions of rupees. In milliseconds, you lose millions of rupees. Please understand, in milliseconds. And who does not want to make money in the market? Everybody wants to make money in the market. So in milliseconds, people lose money. In milliseconds, people make money. The first part, while using technical analysis, think about risk return. A fool will think on return. A wise will think on, a superstar will think on risk. While doing technical analysis, the first thing which you need to understand is think on risk. What do you mean by risk? The amount which you can take loss. So next golden rule is you should be knowing what loss you can sustain for each trade. So 5 fingers in our hand, right hand, 5 fingers, 5 words. Accept the loss, move on. Accept the loss, move on. That is the first indicator which you have to understand. Accept the loss. Sir, what is this? I want to trade. I want to make money in the market. You are teaching me accept the loss, move on. Yeah. If you can't accept the loss, technical analysis does not work. This is not astrology or a prediction program where you somebody will comes and gives you the no Santa Claus will come and give you magician like what indicators it was. Nobody knows beyond a point. I'll repeat again. Nobody knows beyond a point. So you're working around the things where nobody knows beyond a point. So for that, what you have to do is you have to first, even astrology doesn't work currently. I don't know that. So what I want to tell to you people is accept the loss, move on. Now you should ask me, the loss should be small loss. It should not be big loss. If you don't take small loss, you will take mother of big loss. If you don't take small loss, you will take mother of big loss. So my request to you people in technical analysis, if you're starting intraday, first thing, if you are unable to take small loss, don't ever open demat and trading account. The loss should be second point, small loss. Small loss. If you can't take 100 rupees loss, mark my word, you can't take 1,000 rupees. If you can't take 1,000 rupees, you can't take 1 lakh rupees. So with that background of information, now you decide which minutes you want to take. For everybody will see, with my experience of a decade, what we will do is first, if I'm doing intraday, what I will do is I'll take 30 minutes candle. Okay, first I will see 30 minutes. What has happened in the market for last 30 minutes? What has happened in the market for last 30 minutes? Now we have taken Infosys, right? See, market opened at 9:15. 9:15, it was a downtrend. It opened gap down. Then again, another 30 minutes went up. Now this is the recent candle, the 30 minutes candle, which is a downtrend. That's what I'm telling you now. How I'm going to do a technical analysis. So Infosys opened gap down today, and however the gap down, bulls have won first 30 minutes. See, red candle means bulls are winning. Red candle means bears are winning. Green candle means bulls are winning. Now to do intraday, now I want somebody to answer just to know whether you people are on the same track of mind. Now tell me, last 30 minutes, who won? First, I want you people to message me. Last 30 minutes, who won? Let me check with the last 30 minutes. Yeah, bear. Excellent, excellent. Now I'll ask you another question. See, boss, I'm telling you how I do live analysis. I hope you people can understand. So please try to figure it out from my brain, like how I'm working around. Okay. So next, what is the next question I'll do is I'll check last Friday who won. Last Friday. See your superstars. Last Friday also it was a gap down, but bulls won last Friday. So if you are doing today analysis, you should be knowing at least last Friday what happened. You should be knowing what happened last Friday. What is gap up and gap down? Someone has asked me. Okay, Ariyant has asked. I'm a learner. Okay. I can understand. See, the thing is, what do you say? Like, so many people are beginners, and most of them are already having an account. It's very tough for a speaker to coordinate with an online class like that too. That will be tough. Gap down and gap up is nothing but simple. Yesterday it closed at 100. Today it opened at 80. Gap down means bears are winning. Yesterday close is 100. Today it opened at 120. Bulls. It's a gap up. Bulls won. So in market there are only two participants, bulls and bears. In market only there are two participants, bulls and bear. Do you want to be bullish side or a bearish side? If somebody asks, please answer, I want to be on a right side. You can make killing money in the market, either whether you are in a bull side or on a bear side. Never ever say I want to be a bull side or a bear side. Tell to me I want to be on a right side. So all the superstars, I'm giving so much gnan on one-liners. That's my experience. Okay, I hope you people are writing down. Okay, so the next part, I want to trade Infosys now. Please, please, please. Yeah, we should be with unbiased mind. For Infosys, which I'm going to trade, I'm giving you the strategy. Please, I request you people to concentrate. Infosys. What I'll do for Infosys is, see you. Okay. Can you see the screen? First 30 minutes. Now I will, after seeing 30 minutes, I'll go for 5 minutes candle. Last 5 minutes, what has happened in the market? Oh, wow. See you, superstars. Last from 10:05. New people who are seriously don't know anything, just enjoy the session. Okay, just listen to me, just see the market. Okay, we'll do some now dummy trades. We will do some dummy trades. Let's do a intraday dummy trades so that you will understand. So last from 10:05, the market is falling bearish. Can you see here? And here one we are seeing one candle. It has made a low of 1723. And this candle is known as the volume candle. This candles is another price candles. Now what I will do is I will figure it out. I will figure it out. Where does the support and resistance? Where does the support and resistance is happening in Infosys for last 5 minutes? Last 5 minutes, I'll try to figure it out, the support and resistance. Okay, okay. I've taken the data from last 3 days. Don't get confused. If you people get confused, don't worry. Only two things should happen in your life. Either you should get convinced or you should get confused. So I think I'll be doing most part of the session. I'm going to confuse you. Just listen here. Listen here. I've taken data from 3rd March, 4th March, and 7th March. So for intraday, I'm not taking more than 3 days. The past data, see another beautiful thing which I have given you. Another beautiful lesson which I have given you is, for intraday, I've taken just past 3 days. 3 days data back testing. I'm taking 3 days data, that is Thursday, Friday, and today's. Now you tell me, I've taught you resistance and support. Anything above the current price is resistance, anything below, support. I can tell to you people, 1745 is the resistance here for the day, because already market has how to draw resistance line. See, current price is 1731. You have to see the market here. Even a fifth year student, fifth class student will understand. I think you people will understand much better. Current price is 1732. Anything below that, it's called resistance. Anything below the 1731, see, it's changing every milliseconds, is support. If I see from last 3 days data, Infosys tried to go above 1733 on. See, please understand, to trade today, I'm checking 3rd March data. 1733 was the close. Then it tried again 11:55 a.m. Again it tried 3 times. It did not sustain. Fourth time it tried to go above 1730. Fifth time it tried to go above 1735. Sixth time it tried. I'll repeat again. Slowly I will repeat. Superstars, please understand. I know it's very tough to understand everything on one go, but listen carefully. Infosys, I have taken last 3 days data to trade intraday, to find the opportunity. Hey, please remember this sentence. To find the opportunity. To find the opportunity, the best risk return opportunity. What I have done is I've seen last 3 days data. In last 3 days data, on a face value, I'm understanding Infosys was trying to go above 1735, but it was unable to cross above 1735. See, from 1735, it came to 1720, 1735, it came to 1708, 1735, again it came to 1680, again 1735, 1750. Swami Vivekananda Guruji says, when somebody is talking on numbers, it's very tough to concentrate. I hope you are concentrating. 1715, again it went to 1735. Today it opened, gap down, and again it tried Superstars, here is a clue. Here is a clue. After 6 times, Infosys has broken the resistance. 1735. Superstars, 10 minutes before, 10-15 minutes before, I taught you one strategy. If resistance break, what happens? I want somebody to message fast, or you have, if you can speak also, you can speak. If resistance break, what happens? Tell me fast. Let's do a Lalit, very good. Srinivas, very good. If resist, yeah, Yuvraj, very good. Pujita, very good. Rishabh, very good. Resistance break, what happens? Uptrend. If resistance does not break, what happens, superstars? If resistance does not break, what happens? Resistance does not break, what happens? Sideways or downtrend, now what you have to do is, now listen here. Now I'll give you the strategy. If please make a strategy. Let's see. If somebody wanna take a position, they can buy now. So I'm telling you, you can buy now. Okay, we can buy now. What is the stop loss we can keep is, we can keep a stop loss of 1780. 1718. Stop loss is 1718. What is the stop loss? If in case my analysis does not work, I'm ready to accept the loss, but my loss will be limited. I want to stop the loss. Imagine if somebody wants to buy, they can buy keeping a stop loss of 1718. How did you get that 1718, sir? See, I see candlestick from a decade. So by seeing only, I can understand. For many people, you would have thought, how did you keep the stop loss here? I'm giving you one more strategy. One more strategy out of so many strategy, one strategy, small strategy, because of time limit. Okay. What is the strategy is, see here, on 9:15, say 9:40, Infosys started going up. It started to pick up from this candle. I'm using 5 minutes candle here, technical analysis. Please see here. This is the volume candle. Everybody, please understand here. Volume candle. So write down the next strategy. It may happen or it may not happen, but write down the next strategy. When the price goes up and volumes also confirm, it is a bullish trend. Write down. If price goes up, if a price goes up with volume confirmation, it is a bullish. Right on, I'll give you, don't worry. If price moves up with a volume confirmation, price moves up with a high volume, it's a bullish sign. If price falls with high volume, if price moves down with high volume, it's a downtrend. Everybody understood? Now, can somebody speak? I'll be so happy if you can speak. Manjuna sir, they can speak. Can somebody unmute and speak, or it will be a chaos, a lot of noise. Okay, tell me the first strategy. What I told now. If price moves, anybody message for Karo fast. If price moves up, volume also goes up. What is that? Okay, you write the answer. If price goes up, volume also goes up. What is the confirmation? Yes, excellent. Bullish sign. Very good. Superstars, I want you people to make money, okay? Seriously. So next part. Now answer me this. If price moves down with huge volume, what is the answer? Price, bearish. Excellent. Now, what is the third strategy? What is the third strategy is, if price moves up, there is less volume. Price moves up, less volume. Price moves up, less volume. It's a bluff. It's a bluff bullish sign. It's a bluff bullish sign. If price comes down, volume also comes down. It's a bluff bearish sign. It's a bluff bearish sign. By the way, I told I am bullish on Infi now. Ritvik saying Ritvik. Okay. What do you want? You want me to repeat? Okay. Am I being too fast because of limited time? I don't know. I don't usually do like this, but anyways, if price moves down with less volume, it's a bluff bearish pattern or a signal. Now, if a price moves up with a less volume, it's a bluff bullish pattern. Understood? Everybody understood? Everybody understood? Now, see the screen here. See the screen. What has happened is here price has gone up with good volume. I'm taken 5 minutes candlestick. Okay, 5 minutes candlestick, it's around 5,15,000 here and 7,46,000. So if 1715 to 1718 withstands today up to 330, boss, time up to 330, up to 330 the markets are there intraday. If you can buy and sell the same day, buy and sell the same day. Okay, if it withholds 1715 to 1718, I think we can see Infosys going up much bigger. I think it will break high, but it has to be above 1715 to 1718. Now I'll give you one more rule. It has to stay above 1715 to 1718 at least for 15 minutes confirmation I want. Because stock market, next definition in technical analysis, you have to understand, stock market is a bluff master. Stock market is a bluff master. What will happen? I'll tell you. Again, from 1731, Infosys will come up to 1715. At 1715, it will take support and again it will go up. So these are the visualization you have to have in your mind. So you people, I request you people, it has to be around 1715 to 1730 for 15 to 30 minutes. If it breaks down, it has to stay above that. Otherwise, Infosys will be very tough to go above the today's high price of 1745. And you have to understand on a context, the overall market is down. When overall market is down, all the stocks will be down. This is another point you have to remember. If the overall market is down, all your stocks also will be down. Sir, give me one example. Imagine in our family, somebody has sick, somebody got fever, somebody is not unwell. If they are unwell, obviously all of us will feel bad, right? We feel sad and bad, and we feel like our energy level will be low. The same way in the market, if overall market is bearish, don't expect the stock, any stocks to be very bullish until or unless it has a positive trigger. Until or unless it has a positive trigger. For Infosys, the positive trigger today is just a USD. That's a currency trade which we are taking. Okay, so that is one sign. So Infosys, it has to stay. Now its time is 11 o'clock. If it is above 1715, Infosys is still bullish for the day. If 1715 breaks, it will make today's low, that is 1697. 1697. This is how technical analysis works. If 1715 does not stay today above 15 to 30 minutes from now on, it will again come down to 1697. For intraday, you should have a realistic target. You should have a realistic target. You can't have like a huge target. Why? You can buy in thousands of quantity. If you catch a few points, that is sufficient. Write down the next line. In intraday, you need to catch only few points. You don't need to catch 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 points. If you are trading 1,000 shares of Infosys, or if you are trading 10,000 shares of Infosys, if you catch 2 to 3 points, that is sufficient. But the problem is, do you have that much capital? That is a problem. Just because you don't have capital, don't be a foolish way of strategy like, sure, I will buy at 1725. I want it to go at 1780, 1750. That's very tough. In intraday, you have to catch only small points. In intraday, you have to catch only small points. The quantity should be more, the points should be less. But again, you should not lose not more than 1% of your capital. You should not lose more than 1% capital in the market. Example, if you have 1 lakh rupees, Your stop loss, your loss should not be less than 1,000. It should not be more than 1,000 rupees. No, sir, I am very, I like, I'm a risk taker, sir. I will take more loss means you will lose, you will shut down your account in few months. Your account will become zero. So my request to everybody, in each trade, you should not lose more than 1,000 rupees. That is 1%, 2% of your 1 lakh capital. Yeah, you can do short selling, provided Srinivas 17:15. It has to stay 15 to 30 minutes. 15 minutes, I want confirmation because it's a bluff master. And if 17:15 comes by 1 o'clock, 1:30, then is a trade. So this is one more strategy. Okay, so let's wait for Infosys to 17:15 and 17:35. We got a two band. Please make a note. How did we analyze with resistance? See, again, resistance 7th time, unable to break 17:35. Okay, I hope your people are understanding. 17:35 on a higher end, 17:15 on the lower end. Please somebody message fast. 17:35, because that is the analysis in front of you. I've shown you. Write down fast. 17:35 on upper band. 17:35. It was like, yeah, that was what we analyzed. 17:35 upper band, 17:15 lower band. If 17:35 resistance break, share price will go up. You just observe for the day. Okay, and this holds true or not, we'll see tomorrow also. 17:15, very good, Pawan, very good. 17:15. Now the current price is 17:26. Now you remember three trends I taught you: uptrend, downtrend, sideways. Uptrend, you buy first, sell later. Downtrend, sell first, then you buy. In sideways, what do? You neither buy nor sell. That's what you need to do. Please understand, you do nothing on sideways. Don't get caught in the market. That's very important. Okay, so this is few strategies on support, resistance, the price. Now next technical analysis indicator which I'm going to teach you is breakout or breakdown. Breakout strategy, breakdown strategy. The message in the chat box, what is the strategy which I'm going to teach you now? Breakout or breakdown. Faster. Breakout or breakdown. Breakout means upside. Breakdown means yes. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to show you the breakout or breakdown strategy. Here, what I'm going to show you is, okay, before that, let's get clarity on Infosys. Now, superstars, tell me, the share price is 1728 Infosys. What you will do before we go to the breakout or breakdown strategy? Tell me fast. What you are going to do? Now you got the data points. What is your strategy? What are you going to do? The share price is 1728 now. What are you going to do? Support line, Srinivas. What should be? Okay, let me ask like this. If it breaks 1735, if it breaks, what you will do? Lalit, very good. He has messaged me directly. 1735, if it breaks, what you will do? 1735, superstars, I want you people to answer, please. 1735, what you will do? Yes. Very good. Below 1715, 1715. Very good. Now tell me, from 1715 to 1735, what you will do? If it is in the range of 1715 to 1735, what you will do? You do nothing. You just sit tight. You can do scalping also, but don't do, oh my God, I'm telling you, be inactive in market. If you, okay, I'm going to give you a secret. I'll tell you, I'll going to give you biggest secret in the market. See, with the exposure which I've got with the market and working with the big people in the market veterans, I'm going to give you one small secret. In life, be hyperactive. In stock market, be inactive. So only I'm speaking slowly. Don't trade every day. Fools will trade every day. creating an opportunity for an intelligent trader. You should trade only when you get an opportunity. To figure it out, the opportunity, you should be like a National Geographic Channel tiger or a lion, cheetah, where you will catch the prey only when the probability of winning is more. My request to you people, don't be active in the market. That doesn't mean you don't track the market. You have to track the market, but don't do please this video game buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Please don't do that. Only trade when you get opportunity. Only trade when you have the edge. What do you mean by edge? When you have a quality. Yeah, Anish says quality trade, not quantity. Perfect. To get that, my request, write down. To become a best trader, you should ready to make mistake. You should ready to accept the mistake. You should be ready to learn from the mistake. Make a note. To become the best trader in the world, what we have to do is, and it's very tough, even I am in the process of doing that. Okay, I'm not telling I am the best here, sorry. Only fools will say I am the best. So what I'm going to tell to you people is, which I am also trying, if you can join with the same thought process, welcome to stock markets. First, you should be ready to make mistake. Accept the mistake. First of all, if somebody says you have done wrong, I have to accept, yes, I'm wrong. Then I should learn from the mistake. So I should do with a proper technical analysis. The data market is the big boss. Now market has given me the clue. Above 1735, superstars, tell me what we should do above 1735. Yeah, I'll go back there. I'll come back to all this question. Above 1735, what we have to do? Very good. Data is telling. I'm not doing hopes trade. I don't know whether you people know Kannada or not. If we say don't have hopes in stock market, it will become top. Don't have hopes in stock market, it will become top. In stock market, everything is data driven. In stock market, everything is data driven. My data has to give me signal to buy. My data has to give me signal to sell. Even my data gives buy signal and I lose. I'm ready to accept it. But I will not do any hopes trade. If I don't get opportunity, see, I have prepared Infosys analysis now. If I don't get opportunity, I will not trade. Stock market will be there for 100 years. You and me is a question mark. Why should I trade like a fool every day? No, I have my data. If my data comes, I will trade. That is how the strong willpower, emotional intelligence you should have. Just because I want to make money, please don't trade intraday. My request, intraday is only for a professional traders who are there for, my God, massive effort, time you should put in the market. For to become an intraday successful trader, at least 2 to 3 times your account will become zero. Somebody message karo, please. Hey, I need to give some books now. Okay, so I want you people to message. To become successful intraday trader, at least 2 to 3 times our account will become zero, because we keep making mistake. Listening is easy, while implementing it's very tough in market. So my request to you people, don't have a dream saying that, oh my God, I become intraday trader, it's so easy. At least 2 to 3 times your account will become zero. And sir, my account will become zero, then I will not enter. Remember the classic definition which my guru taught me. Where there is stuff to make money, there lies the biggest opportunity. I'll repeat again. Where there is tough to make money, the situation is very tough to make money, there you can make killing money in the market. There lies the opportunity. If somebody is making easy money, they will make small money. If it is very tough and challenging situation, there lies the biggest money. And technical analysis and intraday, that is where trading, it's very toughest profession. But once you crack it, I think you will make for lifetime. But only hardly few people will do. Now let's get into the, or do you say, breakdown or breakout strategy. Now instead of 5 minutes candlestick, I'll go for monthly candlestick. Okay, I'll go to the trading view. I want to teach you a breakout and a breakdown strategy. Now I'm going to teach breakout and breakdown strategy on ITC. On ITC I'm going to do. Okay, on ITC stock I'm going to do Hey, I request you people to join my group. Okay, I'll send the message. I'm telling you, you will. No tips. You have to become intraday. Puja, always say in market, never ever become a dependent thinker. Become a independent thinker. Become a independent thinker. If you become an independent thinker, you should ready to accept the mistake. Then you can make killing money in the market. I'm telling you. So, sir, should we hold or should we short? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Infi. Infi, 1735. 1735. 1735. 1715. Downside. Okay. Okay. So let's go for a breakout and breakdown strategy. Breakout and breakdown strategy. Now I'll go for a monthly chart. Let's go to the monthly chart. Superstars, here is a laddu trade on ITC. Just observe clarity. And I'll show you on Bharti Airtel also, so that you will understand. You will understand. You will understand. Last 9 years in ITC, it's trading in 220. Last, sir, do you take class on stocks? Yes, Pooja, I do take. 1 minute. I was saying something. 1 minute. Please, we'll have a conversation in another few minutes. Okay, let's do this strategy first. Okay. So what I want to say to you people is, last 9 years, ITC is in sideways trend. So superstars, answer me this question. Last 9 years, ITC, Dev, don't do anything now. Wait. Don't catch the falling knife. Dev Verma, don't catch the falling knife. When the stocks are falling, don't catch it. Just like knife, it will get hurt. Okay. So my next question, you people should answer me. Last 9 years, ITC uptrend or downtrend or sideways? Very good, Arshita. Very good. Very good. Sideways. Perfect. Now listen here. Listen here, superstars. If ITC, the upside resistance is this one, support is below. Now you have understood the support. There is a huge support here. I will just zoom in. Okay, it's very tough. I want you people to zoom in. See, there is a huge support around 200 rupees. Make a note. If it falls below 200, it is breakdown strategy. Sir, how did you get 200 number? Simple. Please understand. See, close. It's, see how many months ITC has traded near 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times in last 2 years. And year 3 times it has tried to go about 200. So 13 times it has tried 200 as the biggest support line. Sir, this is the breakdown strategy. What is breakout strategy, superstars? Mark my word. If it breaks 235, I don't know, 35 number is been for Infi also we got it, for ITC also we are getting. If ITC breaks 235 on a upside, 260, the next target is 280. It will be catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. If ITC breaks 235 on upside, this is a bit of positional trade, something for couple of months, 1 quarter, 2 quarters trade, 3 months to 6 months, breakout and breakdown. If it breaks out 225 to 235, it will be catch me if you can. You can't catch it only, it will fly off, because it has taken 9 years to break this range. Now you just keep observing. In the group also I will message you across, because I don't do it and run programs where I come and speak nonsense and I get out. We should understand what happens next couple of months down the line, what happens tomorrow. Then only the performance will speak, not words will not speak. Okay, so this is on ITC, on a breakout and breakdown strategy, which I have told you. Now, sir, can you give me one example where breakout and breakdown has worked? Excellent. I will show you on Reliance only. I will show you. Reliance only. I will show you. Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries. Where is Reliance? Yeah. Now, superstars, please observe here. Everybody, you people have Geo SIM. I think you people have a Geo SIM, right? You use Geo. Yeah, I do live in Bangalore. Yeah. So 1 minute, Geo. Listen here, superstars. Listen here. The biggest breakdown. You people should be lucky. You have to thank Manjunath sir that I'm doing this program. Okay. So massive. That's what Srinivas, a breakout and breakdown strategy is one of the beautiful strategies, Srinivas. If you know how to use this, I think you will send a sweet box to my house. Okay, after making money, I'll show you one small breakout strategy. How beautifully it works, and I want you people to have concentration. Superstars, first message me. First of all, are you people active? Message me fast before I teach this. I just want to know whether you are on the same page. Are you people active? Yes or no? Are you getting bored? Can I continue? I have so much, I have infinite content because of time limit. And some people are already in the market. People who are already in the market, I'm extremely sorry. There are 80% of the crowd who don't know anything. So it's very tough for me to manage both the people who are already who knows the subject and people are very new to the subject. But I'm trying my level best to balance for both the sides. Thank you. We'll ask in a Q&A question answers. Yeah, that's what Manjunath sir is saying. Okay, listen here, superstars. All of you, please listen here. From 2008, here comes the story. 2008, Reliance was around 700 rupees. Hey, please, just like a KGF movie, we are learning, okay? The KGF part 1. So listen here carefully. 2008, 700. Finally, 700 was broken on 2017. Now I want in chat box to message me. It has taken how many years to break 700? Please. How many years it has taken to break 700? Reliance, how many years it has taken to break 700? Anchal, perfect. 9 years, 10 years it has taken. 10 years it has taken. Now, here comes the history. Here comes the history. Technical analysis, it's not like I'm telling you, please keep life and stock market simple. Only fools will make it complicated. Okay. 700 it has broken. Once 700 is broken, now it's a history. See the current price where it is. See the current price. Can you see the current price? Oh my God. See the current price. Matin, message to your teachers. They will help you out for that. So see the current price. This is the breakout strategy. Now, you ask me one stock. I will show one breakout and breakdown stock which has not worked. Superstars, what I'm telling here is don't believe any person in this world. Take nobody's word for it. I'll repeat again. Don't take anybody's word. If somebody says something, don't believe them blindly. They may trap you. They may trap you. So don't get trapped in others' opinion. What I will request is this was breakout. There will be so many false breakouts, false breakout and false breakdown. There will be false breakout and false breakdown. Okay, false breakout and false breakdown. You need to understand that also. It will be a bluff master. Now I will show you one false breakout. Can I show you one false breakout stock so that you will understand, so that you know other side of the story. You know the other side of the story. Other side of the story. Okay. I will show you one false breakout stock which has happened. Like it did not work properly. The stock which did not work properly. It's nothing but Dr. Reddy. Superstar, see you. See you. Superstar, see you. You have to tell me the price. 2015 August 4,200 it was. 4,200. I want you people to answer me, please. See, my only dream is to reach 1 million mission entrepreneurs. 1 million superstar entrepreneurs. That is what I want to know. 1 million. And please, I want your support. Please understand and answer me. Okay. September 2015, it was around 4,200. Finally, it broke 2020. After 5 years, it broke. What does the strategy tell superstars? When breakout happens, it moves up. As per textbook, it went up. See again, but it's falling now. False breakout. Unfortunately, Dr. Reddy is one of the worst hit on Ukraine-Russia war. That's why the false breakout has happened. Dr. Reddy has a huge portions of revenue. Sputnik vaccine, Russia, Dr. Reddy is a supplier, and they have a lot of stakes involved with Russia, Dr. Reddy. So at times, even the breakout happens. See how beautifully 20% return it gave. Boss, bank gives you post-tax 5% return. If you are making 10 to 15%, double or triple of that, you are a superstar. Yeah. So yeah. See, Yash, I have 10 accounts, Yash. Like, I don't want to make anything like give the clarity. It will be a very tough. It will be a conflict of interest. Okay. So false breakout. So this is one strategy which I wanted to give you so that you understand. So technical analysis may another strategy which you have understood: false breakout, breakdown, and proper breakout, breakdown. Now, what I will do is, yeah, Stocktail. Yeah, that's mine. My company name is Stocktail. Okay, it's a story of bull, bears, and me. Now, Bharti Airtel. Let's go to Bharti Airtel. Some people were asking me, sir, can you give me a clues of long term? See how beautifully long-term stock. See here, Bharti Airtel. Please. Now tell me. Hey, superstars, tell me now. It was around 400, 2007. Please see the breakout and breakout strategy. As Bruce Lee says, don't learn 1,000 strategy. Learn one strategy. Implement for 1,000 days. What fools we have become today because of information is like a what do you say, we get information in a tip of our finger. Today information is fake. We don't know who is real and who is fake nowadays, and everybody has this conflict of interest that they want to make money, they want to make sure the other person is brainwashed or something. So please, superstar, my only one request: if you want to make money in the market, never take anybody's word. Become a independent thinker. Though you may lose money, but lose your money on your own thinking. Don't lose money on somebody's thinking. That's my philosophy. Lose your money on your own thinking. Bharti Airtel, such a beautiful script. Disclaimer, I'm a research analyst. Okay, so I don't want to give you some advice, stocks. Yes, I'm on a right side. I'm neither a bull side nor a bear side. I'm on a right side. What I will say is Bharti Airtel, it was around 450 or 500. After 10 years, not 10, 13, 14 years ke baad, it has broken that level. Now I want you people to understand. It has broken 450. Now, what is the current price of Bharti Airtel? Please, superstars, I'm giving you biggest clue. Biggest clue I'm giving you now. In another 1 minute, please answer. Yes. 664. Very good. 664. Very good. Okay. Stop. Listen carefully now. As per technical analysis back testing, if some stocks break out after 10 years, 11 years, the stock will go 300 to 400%. The stock will go 300 to 400%. From 460, it has gone to 660. How much percent it has gone? It has gone only 50%. Still, how many percent to go? If a stock breakouts after 10, 11 years, as per back testing, I could be wrong also. It goes 300 to 400%. But from 460 to 660, only 50% is gone. Still, how much percent it can go up? Remember me in couple of years from today. Remember me in couple of months from today. 2 to 3 years down the line, you remember. And I change my opinion in a blink of an eye. I change my opinion in a blink of an eye. I'm not a fool to sit with the same opinion. If my opinion is not working, I will get out. If my opinion is not working, I will get out. I'm ready to accept the shame. I'm ready to accept my mistake. I don't want to say that I am right always. This is how a professional trader thinks. That is what the knowledge which you are getting. And if you people stick on with the same opinion every day, you can't make money in market. For intraday trading, technical analysis, you should be a contrarian thinker. You should be a contrarian thinking. Obviously, superstars, I can give you so many indicators of technical analysis, RSI, stochastics, everything, but it is of no use. Don't learn 100 strategies. I'm telling you, learn one or two strategy beginning of your career. Once you have started your career, my knowledge is always common people, common sense knowledge. I don't want to give a smartness answers. Take few strategies, work on few strategies for a couple of months to 1 year. After you implement that, then go into the next strategy. It's not an exam to learn 6 chapters and go and write in your exam. This is hardcore money, boss. You have to make money out of it. So learn only few strategies, implement, go and practice that, and you can make money. And some people who believe Indian stock market, who believe India's growth story, definitely market will go up. Why? I'll tell you. We human beings are a rare species, superstars. 2 years back, every day in and day out, scientists tried to get a vaccine so that we can save life. Today, the same human beings, so we are destroying other human beings with bombs. So human beings is a rare species, and technical analysis catches the emotions of human beings. I don't know how many of you understood. Sorry, this is my way of thinking. Technical analysis in stock market gauges the emotional intelligence. I request you people to please make sure you use technical analysis very in a limited way. If you don't understand in that perspective, I think it will be very tough. I think Dr. Lakshmi KVN ma'am, I think she has messaged like, sir, those companies who do care about ECG, will they trade better comparatively? No, ma'am. Actually, what, no, ma'am? Sorry to say, because of my experience, and God has been kind, universe has been kind. I've been with the best of the best minds in stock market. All these things like environmental, society, social governance, all these companies, they have some status quo of doing that. We are climate change, we are doing, but end of the day, only a certain point it will be perfect. Otherwise it's not. Like stock market ka price, ultimately it is a slave to the profits. If profit of the company goes up, share price goes up. If profit does not happens, no, the share price does not move at all. At times, on a shorter term, it will bluff us, it will go up, but on a longer run, it will not. And as you say, ma'am, like on environmental, now the buzz from last 2 3 years is electrical vehicles. So any stocks which does electrical vehicle, no, the share price was going like anything. And in governance part, I think I don't believe in any governance part, because like I hope you can read in between the lines. It's very tough, like all the public sector banks, how it has been run, and on the private sector also it's very tough. So hardly few companies which will where the management will be too ethical, and it's very tough to attract ethical people in this market. It's very tough. But it's better, ma'am. It will trade better, but you should not trade at all there. You should invest across. That's a one thing. Yeah, this is a few things. Manjunath sir, you told you we have to finish by 11:40, so it's
Yes, sir.
11. Only few, what limited time I have, I've just spoken now. I think I'll ask some question and answers. They have so many questions. People, you have students have so many questions. So let me answer their question. If you want, I can do 1 day full program, but that program should be useful, where people will make money, not today. At least they should not tell, sir, after attending the program, one thing is whether I make money or not, but I will not lose money. If you people say that, that is the ultimate satisfaction I get. And Manjunath sir, I know him from a decade now. I'll be so happy. He's a so much student centric sir. So my only ambition, sir, after listening to this program, they should say, sir, no problem, I did not learn how to make money, but I learned one thing. I learned how not to lose money. If you don't lose money, na, automatically you make money. That's the beauty of stock market. So I will summarize and I'll be open for question and answer. The summarize of what limited time I had, I will summarize. One, even your favorite God, I'm talking God, nature, universe tells you people to invest in stock market from loan money, from borrowed money, from friends' money. Never ever do it. Only you have to do from savings money. First point. Second point, technical analysis is one of the tool to identify buying and selling in stock market. Next, technical analysis does not work all the time. See, I am a practitioner of stock market and I am only telling it does not work. Please understand, you should understand my thinking and thought process. I don't want you people to come and lose money in the market. I'm telling you, they say honesty cannot be expected from cheap people. So what I'm telling you is, don't apply technical analysis all the time. It does not work on extreme volatility. The biggest root of technical analysis concept is mother of concept is support and resistance. In that, I've taught you 4 strategies. Then I taught you the price. In price strategy, I've taught you 4. If price goes up with a volume, it's a bullish sign. If price does not go with the high volume, it's a bluff bullish sign. Then breakout breakdown strategy I taught you with limited time, and I've given you so much one-liner wisdom which I have learned over a period of time. It's not, if you search in Google also, you won't find it. With this much knowledge, and I have also told you people to to join my group. I have a mission of 1 million superstars entrepreneur, and I hope so you people will make use of it. Hope so. Again, I believe in nature and universe. If we need to get connected, I think we get connected. Otherwise, it cannot happen. Okay. So with that, let's see. Please ask me question and answers. Like, I will answer what little I know. I will answer. If I don't know, I will say I don't know. I have no shame to say I don't know. I will say I don't know. Okay. Start. Don't ask me which stock you have in your account, what you will do. Don't ask me. So that doesn't make any sense there. Okay. But anyways, I'll give you some hint. Don't worry. Okay. Ask me something. How's Nika going to be in future? No. Future or options? Future and option is only for professionals who are already in the market for a couple of years in equity. So before you do future or option, my request to you is you should have, well, what's your name? Please, it's a direct message. I don't know it. I'm getting only Tarun. Yeah. Tarun, superstar Tarun, my only request, I want you to message in a normal general message to everybody. You have to promise me. What you have to promise is, sir, I will trade future and options only when I have a regular source of income. Only when I have regular source of income. If you don't have a regular source of income, do not enter future and option. Sir, in which sector we can invest? Skanda, I think the next sector which is going to happen because of oil, crude, everything. I think energy sector, metal sector, commodity sector, Skanda. Commodity is the happening now. Skanda, I'm telling you again, I change my opinion in a blink of an eye. Tomorrow, there is a peace talk between Ukraine and Russia. Again, the story changes. Only fool will have the opinion, every day the same opinion. In stock market, you have to be a contrarian thinker. Okay, done. Sir, Tata Steel, oh, it has gone up, Saurabh, superstar. BHL, it will skyrocket in the future. Never ever have certainty in stock market. Please don't have certainty. Don't have certainty. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. But Tata Steel on a commodity perspective, it's good. Sir, which will FIB chart help in intraday? Srinivas, Fibonacci, it will help. At least a bit it will help. It will not help. See, Srinivas, I'll give you one clue. What is the clue? Is simple. Everything will work. See, in my house, if they do paisa, sweet, okay, I can't drink entire paisa which is done for 10 people. You and me will drink only 1 glass of the sweet which we make in our house. So everything take in a stride of a face value of how much it will work, how much it will not work. If you learn from me, yes, you will understand the strategy, but you will come to know only when you are practicing it. Implementation is mother of biggest word in English. When we start implementing only, we will come to know. Okay, Yuvraj, you had so much question to us. Thank you so much. How to work out on future stock? Future stock means I didn't understand, Nagarjun. Srinivas, okay, thank you. See, Airtel, there is a breakout strategy. One I have given you clue. Sir, what about crypto? Oh, okay, Muskan Jain is like asking crypto. Crypto. I seriously don't know about crypto. I don't know. It's a crazy how it works, but well, I don't want to speak on crypto. Let government of India make it legal. Then I will talk on that because otherwise I get hooked into it. I cannot speak on those topics on a live forum. Sorry. But could you have covered some advanced concept of technical analysis? Oh, definitely, Yuvraj. It's advanced topics. What I can teach you. Give me one more session, Yuvraj. I think I can do it
I will make an arrangement. Sir.
on daily basis, which is stocks to see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, Manjunath, sir. Definitely, Srinivas. I love to teach patterns. Definitely. See, one thing I'll tell you, all the superstars. If I teach you how to trade the patterns, by the way, I will not lose any money. Market is the one which is going to give money. Okay. So there is no competition in stock market. So the beauty in stock market is there is no competition. Okay. So can you make more video like this? Yeah, definitely will do. Sir, opinion on hospitality sector, Lakshmi. Hospitality sector, as of now, it's very tough. Like it's very tough now on a hospitality. May so many things comes, ma'am. Like it comes on a diagnostic or hospitals, or it comes on a drug companies, API. So we need to be very specific. I think you can look in for Cipla, not Apla. So it's Cipla. I think you just have a look around on Cipla. So just figure it out. There is something going massive on that. Okay. So which swing trade in? Oh, don't ever trade penny stocks. My request to all the superstars: don't trade with small stock just because you don't have capital. Don't trade in small stocks. If you trade in small stock, your account will become small. Sorry to say. Okay. Next question. And if you want to trade in big companies. Investment is different story. I'm talking about trading. If you want to trade, you trade in big companies to you. Okay. Next, anybody has a question? Anybody? Anybody, please? Yes, I think we're done. I was one of the students were amazing. Dev, we will have one more session. Seriously. Oh, I see. My dream is to reach 1 million superstar entrepreneur. I forgot to say, I work also with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Center, New Delhi. So a lot of things I haven't told about myself. I think you will figure it out in. You join the group in. I think I'll just message the group link. You join there. I think you will come to know everything there. Okay. So please join there. Okay.
He is again
Done.
messaging the group link.
So you can join there. You'll come to know. And also you should know when to leave the group. If something is not working out for you, you can leave the group. Done. Thank you.
Okay, Sagar sir.
Yes, Manjunath sir.
Okay, sir.
Well, guys, with that, we'll have to wrap up the session for today. I thank each and every one of you for gathering here today in order to make this workshop successful. And for all of you who managed to stick here till the end, I hope you managed to implement what you learned today and retain it for the rest of your lives. I would also like to thank our guest speaker, Mr. Sagar US, for bringing time to educate us on this particular set of skills that will no doubt will help us for the rest of our lives. Really, sir, I need to express that I have learned a lot today. I can confidently say I was not the only one here who learned something that will help me for the rest of my professional career. I would also like to thank our event coordinator, Dr. Manjunathan sir, and to organize this event, I'd also like to thank Kavya, Manoj, Pratham, Pujita, Husna, Harsh, Kruti, Johan, and all the members of the Vittal Council. Stay in touch, guys, for other workshops as well. At the end, guys, I would also just like to say that if you truly wish to honor Mr. Sagar sir's and Mr. Manjunathan sir's presence, I'd just like to say, remember what you've learned and try to implement it from today onwards in terms of experience. And only then will his and all of our efforts will be fruitful. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sagar sir. Thank you very much. Feedback is form is sent. I think. Sagar sir, can you hear me? So all the participants are requested to fill up the feedback form. You can leave the meeting now, guys. Guys, you can leave the meeting now. The session is over. You can leave the meeting.
Sir, attendance. Sir.
Attendance we will give. We have taken a data as per that we will give.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.